needs more Volt. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and it's another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max 97 Ultra in the Volt colorway. So the Air Max 97 Ultra is basically an Air Max 97 with new details added to it to make it its own, like, more futuristic, modernized update, basically. This shoe is actually already out, but I saw this colorway in stores and I just had to pick it up. So I might as well unbox it while I'm at it. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is Volt, Mica Green, and Cool Gray. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features this kind of woven pattern along with 3M detailing and a bit of plastic paneling as well. Taking a look at the toe, you have this kind of striped toe box, and on the toe cap you've got the gray 3M detailing and a separate pattern in Volt Green as well. And that's actually what drew me to the shoe, the pattern. It's so nice. Moving towards the tongue, you've got this woven pattern right here on the toe cap, all up the tongue, along with 3M detailing, and you've got a cool gray tongue tag with the Volt Green Nike swoosh. Moving towards the lateral, you've got more of the pattern detailing around the shoe, along with 3M detailing in cool gray, as well as a third pattern for the patch with the gray Nike swoosh, and this is also 3M. Moving towards the heel, you've got the patterns as well as the 3M detailing, and you've got the cool gray back tab with the Air Max logo on it. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you got the striped upper, along with the additional pattern detailing that wraps around the toe. And you've got the 3M detailing and the third pattern design with the 3M Nike swoosh. The shoe utilizes a cool gray midsole with the fully exposed air unit, and you got a cool gray outsole with a Nike swoosh by the heel. Like I said, this is a shoe that I walked into stores and just happened to see, and the colors and the eye-catching materials is just amazing. Like, it's an eye-popping shoe, and I really like the colors on it. The Air Max 97 Ultra kind of gets this flag because, you know, more purists are like, oh, I need only Air Max 97 regulars. Like, Air Max 97 Ultras are not the wave. And that's not necessarily fair to the Air Max 97 Ultra, because there are a lot of great colorways like this that have come out, and this is a really comfortable shoe as is. So I don't know why purists are, you know, so uptight about it. But yeah, it's available in stores right now, and you can go pick it up right now. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Air Max 97 Ultra in the Volt colorway is now available at select Nike retailers at Nike.com for a retail price of $160. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out Solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.